Hello again, it's Noob, and what we have here is a little Abus compact number 6530 30mm brass padlock. Not much information on the box. This was given to me by a friend, and it says double bolted hardened steel shackle. So double bolted just means it's got a sprung locking pawl that locks both sides of the shackle. Not very unusual. Nice little 30mm padlock. What I do like with the Abus packaging, they've got this nice red-black aesthetic. I like the fact they've got the German flag on there because we all know that Abus are a German company of good reputation. So when you open it up, you don't have much of a surprise in terms of what you get. Nice little 30mm padlock with a hardened steel shackle, probably good for some luggage in a low security application. The keyway is pretty wide, 4-pin lock as you can see from the key. Nice bitting actually, very high pin 4, which I quite like, even though the keyway is quite wide. Works as you'd expect. The only big surprise for me is this. It says made in China on it. Despite the German flag on the box, this particular padlock seems to be made in China. Now, I was surprised because maybe naively I'd assumed that all Abus locks were made in Germany. It's not a problem. I mean, a lock made well in China with good quality control is no worse than any other lock really. But I was just surprised because I just assumed that all Abus locks were made in Germany. I don't know. Maybe they've been doing it for a long time. If you know anything about it, please do let me know in the comments. Anyway, going to do top of the keyway tensioning, bit of bent wiper blade because it's perfect for sort of this application. Nice open keyway, which means I can use a Sparrows Lunatic, one of my favourite picks at the moment for these wider keyways. Just going in, see what we get. So pin 4, nothing. Pin 3. Nothing on pin 2, nothing on pin 1 yet, just go along. 4, 3, 2, a little click on 2 there, onto pin 1, into a false set, which is quite nice. Let's see what we've got. So pin 4 seems to be set. Little counter rotation on pin 3, just tap it and we are open. There we go. So yeah, clearly not a high security lock by any means, kind of just a little bit of fun there to pick. But yeah, I guess it has a little surprise on it, made in China. Wouldn't have guessed, but there you go. Alright, that's the Abus Compact 6530, and I'll see you all next time.